A very good morning students. Today we are going to see the overview of brain function. Okay, for the yesterday class we are seeing the structure of a human brain, right? And now we are going to see the overview of brain parts and then functions. The first one we are having the cerebrum. Here they are given as cerebral cortex. Why they are given as cerebral cortex? Because of the cortex is the covering part of a brain. Here a cerebrum is the as like that a covering part of a brain, right? So that they are given a first thing is cerebral cortex. A first function of a cerebral cortex is a sensory perception. Sensory perception. And next one we are having voluntary functions. Control the voluntary functions. Control the voluntary function. Sorry. And next one we are having language. And next one is thinking. And next one is memory. And next one is decision making. And next one is the creativity. Okay, these are all the major function of a cerebral cortex. The first one we are having the sensory perception. Next one we are having the control of voluntary action. Here a control of voluntary action. Your body having a hand and leg movement, right? We want to in a controlled way. Okay va? Unga thinking ஏத்த மாதிரி தான் என்ன பண்ணணும், அது மூவ் பண்ணணும். அதர்வைஸ் அதுவே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக மூவ் பண்ணனாக்கா just say the involuntary actions. Okay, that's a voluntary action, voluntary functions. And next one language. What are the language? You have to learn that is the language. And next one thinking. Have to think about the based on the situation. And memory power, as I know that. And decision making. Situation க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி decision make பண்றது. And next is creativity. Some of the children are created, their thing differ from their other, right? That is the creativity. Okay, and next one we are having the thalamus. Okay, here a thalamus, they are comes under the Dines and Sapalone. We already said that. Here just act as a relay station. Acts as a relay station. Here a relay station, which means just a relating part of a forebrain and then hidden midbrain of a brain part. Okay, there is a relay station and just transferring the informations also. And next one they are having hypothalamus. The third part we are having the hypothalamus. Here hypothalamus and next part of a thalamus. Here they are responsible for the vomiting sensation. We already say the some of the functions, right? Hypothalamus. First one is the temperature control. Here a temperature control, a normal temperature of a human body is normally at 37 degrees Celsius. If they are going to above the 37 degrees Celsius, then the hypothalamus act to that to maintain the body temperatures. Okay, and next one to maintain the thirsty. We already discussed about that, right? Thirsty, hunger, urination. And here also there are important link between a nervous system and endocrine glands. Okay, and next one we are having cerebellum. The fourth one is the cerebellum. Here we already said that this is the second largest part of a human brain. Here a cerebellum formed as a two half of the hemisphere. Here middle of the having a worm is. Okay, here a main function of a cerebellum. It's just important for a body posture. Okay, body posture, a gesture like that. To maintain a posture of our body. And balance, a body balance. coordination and voluntary muscles activity. So these are all the function. Here they are given a posture. போஸ்டர்னா என்னதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய நிற்கிற ஒரு விதம் சொல்லுவாங்களே அதை ரிசி போஸ்டர். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பேலன்ஸ், பாடி பேலன்ஸ். ஓகேவா, பாடி பேலன்ஸ் சின்ன பேபிக்கெலாம் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா தேர் நாட் ஹேவிங் எ பாடி பேலன்ஸ், ஈஸியாக ஃபாலோ ஆகிடுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ ரிசி பாடி பேலன்ஸ் அண்ட் கோஆர்டினேஷன் அண்ட் வாலண்டரி மசில்ஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டி. நீங்கள் எப்படி நடக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த மாதிரி தான் உங்கள் மசில்ஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டி இருக்கணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கையை நீங்கள் ரைஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சா தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், கையை ரைஸ் பண்ணணும். அது இல்லாமல் இன்வாலண்டரி உங்களுடைய கண்ட்ரோல் இல்லாமையே கையெல்லாம் மூவ் பண்ணுவாங்க, சில பேர் மூவ் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is a abnormal persons. Okay, that's a muscle activity, they are controlled of cerebellum. And next one we are having the pons and medulla. Here a pons and medulla responsible first one is the sleep away cycle. Here first they are given a sleep and away cycle. Sleep, okay, we have to sleep at the night time, we have to away at the day time. What is the reason? எல்லாருக்குமே நைட்டில் தூக்கம் வரும், மார்னிங் வேக்கப் ஆகும் இல்லையா. what is the reason na here pons secrete one hormone, that is a special hormone melatonin. ஓகேவா, மெலட்டோனின் செக்ரீட் பண்ணும். அப்படி செக்ரீட் பண்ணாக்கா you just go for a sleeping mode. ஓகே, நம்ம எப்படி ஸ்லீப் பண்ணுறோம், ஏன்னா இந்த மெலட்டோனின் ஹார்மோன் செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறதுனால தான். சில பேருக்கு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா they are not get a sleep for the night time, நைட்டில் தூங்க மாட்டாங்க. ஏன்னா they are continuously watching that televisions. ஓகேவா, லைட் அந்த சர்ஃபேஸில் லைட் விஷன்ஸ் இருந்ததுனால பிரெயின் என்ன திங்க் பண்ணோம், ஜஸ்ட் they think that okay this is day time, no need to any secrete hormone, this is melatonin hormone secrete பண்ண வேணாம். ஓகேவா, ஏன்னா இந்த டே டைம் நினச்சிட்டு அந்த ஹார்மோன்ஸை செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறதை ஃபோன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிடும். ஓகேவா, மெலட்டோனினை செக்ரீட் பண்ணணும்னா அந்த நைட் டைம் இருட்டாக இருக்கும். அதனால தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, தூங்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஃபோன் பார்க்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஏன்னா ஃபோன்ஸு மெலட்டோனினை செக்ரீட் பண்ணால் தான் ப்ராப்பராக ஸ்லீப் வரும். அப்போது ஸ்லீப் இருந்ததுன்னா they are having some work in the night time in the internal organ, they are doing some digestion process. ஓகே, ஹார்மோன்ஸை ப்ராப்பராக செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே அந்த டைமில் தான், பியூரிஃபிகேஷன் எல்லாமே அந்த டைமில் தான் பண்ணும். ஓகேவா, அப்போ இதுக்கு எல்லாமே டேமேஜ் ஆகுதுன்னா ஃபோன்ஸு ப்ராப்பராக செக்ரீட் பண்ணணும். டேமேஜ் ஆகாமல் இருக்கணும்னா ஃபோன்ஸ் ப்ராப்பராக அந்த மெலட்டோனின் ஹார்மோன் செக்ரீட் பண்ணால் தான் ஸ்லீப் அவே சைக்கிள் ப்ராப்பராக ஒர்க் பண்ணும். ஓகேவாடா. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் we are having cardiovascular. Cardiovascular, as you know that to maintain a heartbeat rate, normal heartbeat rate. Okay, and next one respiratory and digestive control. And digestive control. Okay, here respiratory proper oxygen நம்ம பாடிக்கு கிடைக்கலனாக்கா what will happen, they are goes to the anesthesia சடனாக மைக்கேல் சோதுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஏன்னா ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் ப்ராப்பராக ஆக்சிஜனை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணி சப்ளை பண்ணணும் பிரெயினுக்கு. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா they are go for the anesthesia condition and digestive control. Here medulla and pons are maintained the digestive control, otherwise they are getting a vomiting sensation. Okay, so that's it for enough functions of brain. Okay, let me more next one, a spinal cord. Here next topic we are having spinal cord. Okay, here a spinal cord, just they are cylindrical like structure. Okay, here just imagine this is a brain part. And this is the spinal cord. Okay, here I have to see that this is the spinal cord. Here they are cylindrical like structure lying in the neural canal of vertebral column. This is the neural canal, neural which means a nerves. Okay, lies na ulla irukku seriya, lies in the neural canals of a vertebral column. So this is the neural canal and this is the vertebral column. As you know the vertebral column how they are presented. just imagine this is the vertebral column மாதிரி கண்டினியூஸாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா. So like this, and here a neural canals of vertebral column. In this a spinal cord also covered with the meninges. Okay, a covering portion is meninges. Where we heard that name of meninges? In your brain, right? Your brain are covered by the 3 layer, that is the meninges. Same like that here a spinal cord also covered with the meninges, just help to protection of a mechanical injury. Okay, and here there extend starting parts of a spinal cord is a medulla oblongata and end from the vertebra, that is the lumbar of vertebra. This is the ending part of lumbar of vertebra. In that ending part of a vertebrae, just they are tapering, okay, thin fiber like structure is called filum terminal. This is the filum terminal, which means that is the ending. Okay, terminal part. In that axon we say no, axon terminal அதுனா அதோட முடிஞ்சு போயிடும். ஓகேவா? இப்போ சி பஸ் ஸ்டாண்ட் பார்த்துருக்கீங்க இல்லையா, பஸ் ஸ்டாண்டில் டெர்மினல் பார்ட்டை சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏன்னா பஸ் அங்கே வந்து நின்றுட்டு they are starting with the next bus. Okay, that is a terminal. Here a filum terminal, that is the ending part of a vertebral column. Okay, and here internally spinal cord containing the cerebrospinal fluid. That internal part of an spinal cord. Okay, here this is the what? Cerebrospinal fluid. Here a cerebrospinal, cerebral part, spinal fluid. So some fluid are present in the cerebral and spinal cord, that is the cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, here they are filled in the cavity of central canal. எங்க filled ஆயிருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, that is the central canal ல filled ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, just take a cross section for that spinal cord. Just have to see the diagram. Just like this. Okay, and this is a cross section of an spinal cord. Okay, now we have to see that a dorsal and ventral portion here. So this is a cross section of a vertebral column. They are having a grey matter and white matter. Okay, here this is a grey matter of a spinal cord. This is the grey matter of a spinal cord. In that spinal cord, they are having a cerebrospinal fluid. We say no, this is the cerebrospinal fluid portion. Okay, that is the central canal. Central canal. A canal, as you know that what is the meaning of canal? They are having a flowing way. Flowing way is clear. That is a canal. A central canal. They are present in the central part of a spinal cord. So that given a name of a central canal. Here this is the posterior part and this is the anterior part. So this is the dorsal side and this is the ventral side. Okay, here a grey matter of a spinal cord, a dorsal side, that is the posterior part, they form as a 2 H-shaped horns. This is the H-shaped horns. Two H-shaped horns. They are given a name of, that's the posterior part, right? Dorsal or afferent root. A dorsal or afferent root. Here dorsal side la irukka gray shaped matter, adanal they are given a name of a dorsal or afferent root. If you are taken a next part, that is a ventral side, a same H shaped horns in the, this is the posterior part na. If you are taken an anterior part, a ventral or efferent root. A ventral or efferent root. Here now this two spinal cord are connected to the just like this. A nerve band arises from the dorsal and ventral side of an root is known as the spinal nerves. So this is the what? A spinal nerves. Okay, just they are connected to the spinal cord. Here a white matter and remaining portion is there. Now, apart from the dark grey matter, a remaining portion is there, right? That is the grey white matter. Here the white matter is external, this is the external part, and have a bundle of nerve tract. A spinal cord conduct the sensory, this is their spinal cord conduct the sensory and motor impulses to the brain. Okay, just they are carry these impulses to brain, and again they are given a reflex action to that brain part. Okay, so that's the control and reflex action of an spinal cord. Okay, so that's it for a spinal cord. Let me more next one.